Welcome to our grooming showdown. Today, we're diving into a comparison of two top contenders in the beard trimming market: the MANSCAPED, the Beard Hedger, and the Norelco Philips Multigroom 9000. Both priced at $99, these trimmers promise to elevate your grooming game. But which one is truly the best? Let's find out as we explore their features, performance, and user feedback. The MANSCAPED The Beard Hedger features a sleek and ergonomic design, perfect for precision trimming. Its single zoom wheel simplifies length adjustments, making it user-friendly. On the other hand, the Norelco Philips Multigroom 9000 boasts a versatile design with 23 pieces, allowing for a comprehensive grooming experience. However, the multitude of attachments can lead to clutter, making it less convenient for some users. When it comes to performance, the Beard Hedger excels with its powerful 200 RPM motor, designed for smooth, single-stroke trimming. Its unique hair-lifting angle ensures a clean cut every time. In contrast, the Norelco Multigroom 9000 features Beard Sense technology, which adapts power based on hair density, ensuring consistent performance even through thick beards. Both devices offer impressive trimming capabilities, but their approaches cater to different grooming styles. The MANSCAPED The Beard Hedger is a dedicated beard trimmer, focusing solely on facial hair grooming with 20 length settings. While it offers precision, its versatility is limited compared to the Norelco Philips Multigroom 9000. The Multigroom 9000 is an all-in-one grooming kit, suitable for beard, body, and hair maintenance, making it a more versatile choice for users looking for a complete grooming solution. However, this versatility comes with the challenge of managing multiple attachments. In conclusion, both the MANSCAPED The Beard Hedger and the Norelco Philips Multigroom 9000 offer unique advantages tailored to different grooming needs. If you're looking for precision and simplicity, the Beard Hedger is an excellent choice. However, if versatility and a comprehensive grooming kit are what you need, the Multigroom 9000 might be the better option. Whichever you choose, both trimmers promise to elevate your grooming routine. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more comparisons.